pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Rio Linda local and long-distance movers near me. If you're trying to take the worry out of your move, our skilled movers make your long-distance move a lot easier. We help you move to the next state over or all the way across the nation. Our moving solutions provide you all the best options to personalize your move for your specific needs. Hiring us means you get access to all of the common long-distance moving services and all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It's not always easy to rationalize the price when hiring a California moving company. A closer look at the benefits you receive from a local moving company can help you recognize why it's a wise option. You will certainly save time with your local move when you hire a moving company. You will also get to avoid the heavy lifting, which means no threat of injury. Our moving team makes it simple to reach your new location without nearly as much worry. If you would like a streamlined moving day, 3 Movers is the right choice for you. No matter how large your move is, we can get it done fast. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Rio Linda moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.